cool, man. Sweet iron horse.
Thank you, brother.
I used to ride a motorbike.
Yeah?
Just a few years ago.
Yeah. Gotta be careful around here.
It wasn't cool like this though.
No, he's 43 years old.
If you let the idle go any lower, you'll be doing this at the traffic lights.
Kinda does, doesn't it?
I know.
Yeah, I just changed the gasket. It was leaking out the bottom of the bowl. I just changed it and sorted it.
Is it an R75?
65.
65.
More nimble.
My friend had an R75.
Yeah, they're great.
I only had a Suzuki, it's not as cool.
It's all good. You've got one of those now.
Have a good ride.
Cheers, mate.
Towards the pedestrians. Good man. WhatsApping going on there. Hi, bit of WhatsApping I see on your phone there.
Yeah,
That'll be 6 points, I think, if the police choose to prosecute you.
I'm stopping.
Doesn't make any difference.
Really?
I've got my eye on you since back there. The quality of your driving was not very good.
Really?
Anyway, carry on. No, none of my... You carry on. Hotel Foxtrot 72 Uniform Bravo Mike. Land Rover Evoque.